Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform a regular photo to become a cool factor style for free. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this AI photo application first, and don't worry because this application can be also installed into your Android or the iOS phone. And as soon as the installation process is done, then you can simply open it. And this is the look of the home page of this app. And since we would like to create a factor, very easy. Then you can just scroll down and choose this cartoon, and it will direct you into this field. So you can start to choose the picture that you have prepared or from your gallery. And I will choose this picture. And after that, before I choose the animation of the factor, I will change the bokeh effect here, and I will choose this blur, and after that I will start to change the scale. Well, actually this already good for 50, so that the animation or the factor style can only detect this picture only that will be transformed into the factor, because as you can see there a lot of detail behind. So I just need the focus by change the bokeh effect here. And after that I will put it into the 60 and I will apply it, and I will go to the cartoon, then I will choose the factor. You can just scroll from right to the left, and there you go. I will choose this factor too, and after that kindly wait for the processing for this picture to be transformed into the factor style. And if you have any suggestion about another application that can do the same, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, guys. And our picture is almost ready and done over here. There you go. And after that, if you want to save it, then you can simply click this button and this button. And kindly wait for the process and the advertisement. And after that, this picture is already saved officially into your device or your gallery. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this app because this will helpful to create something from your picture. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.